Hi everyone, I come on today to do the giveaway of these two cards that I said I would do on the tutorial here on YouTube for these Magic Window cards. Magic Window because they have that little hidden revealed message inside, which I think is super cute. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Now, all you had to do to take part was to comment on either my YouTube, the actual tutorial, or over on my blog, which is cotswoldcrafter.blogspot.co.uk. Now, between the two, I had 11 people take part. So I've written them all down there, as you can see, 1 to 11, and I'm going to use like a random number generator so I'll just press generate, and the first one to win is number 4, which is Sue, and then I will do it again, and the second one is Melanie. So Melanie, if you would like to message me with your details so I can post it out to you, I will do that as soon as I've got your details. And Sue, well, I'll be seeing you tomorrow, so I can just give you yours. I would like to thank everyone that took part, and keep your eyes peeled and ready for the next one. This was the one I made first, so that one will be for the first one I drew. So that one will be for Sue, and Melanie, you can have this one. I hope that's okay. Thank you again for taking part, and look out for the next video, which will be coming very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.